be playing Roblox. You guys don't know what Roblox is? I'm all alone. It's sad. I know. We're gonna be playing the Flying Fortress, Tyson. Actually, we are not. We're gonna be playing Mad Games. I lied. I know I'm a terrible person, and I'm all alone. Okay, and we're joined by Kiki 101 now.
Oh yes.
And that's the Kiki 101 dancing. Had the game got you good. You were singing while they weren't singing. But
Okay, well, I broke my computer, so I'm playing Minecraft. And I'm playing Tower Defense on the trunk. If you don't know what Tower Defense on the trunk is,
you should get a life. We're recording videos. That's my job.
What the heck?
What do you mean?
When I play Twisted Murder, this is what I see.
I see a code.
What's going on?
I don't know. I just died.
What is that game? It's like...
Okay. Play the music from your back. Yum yum yum.
Music tastes delicious.
Yes. It's Dorito flavor.
Oh my god.
Ooh, look at this little person. How
So
cute are you? There's a knife on the shelf. Aw, he's even cute, that little knife. And that gun, oh, it's so cute. Aw, but the...
cute. Dean has a strange contagious case of cute. Oh no, it's not.
Do I have to give you
I
the knife
seriously-
science book? You gotta read that everything is cute in the book. See, the book's right there. Click to teleport to Mad Murder. Are you sure? Yes. Sure, I am sure. Oh, this actually takes me to Mad Murder. Now he is doing the dancing.
Slap my hand.
What?
It's CNN.
That's so mean, man. Logan's still dancing to the music.
God.
And that music is broken my ears. I'm dead now.
No surprise.
How are you talking? Or is that ghost?
Stop.
Is that ghost to you?
Ooh, get ready, Mr. Zombie Scrub. Get ready, Mr. Zombie Scrub. Ooh, get ready, Mr. Zombie Scrub.
Alright, okay, if you guys don't know how to play, I don't know how
Ooh,
to
get
play.
ready, Mr. Zombie Scrub.
Okay,
Oh, get ready, Mr. Zombie Scrub.
now we're
Oh,
gonna do...
get ready, Mr.
Okay, now we're gonna... I'm trying to do a dance lesson here! Okay, let me do my steps. Okay, to the left, to the right. Forwards, backwards, jump midway. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye! I need to do one more dance lesson.
Oh, you're actually gonna play a game. I mean, like, seriously, nobody's gonna watch a video if it's all you just jumping around, be like, oh.
Yeah.
Did you make that?
Fried chicken.
Did you make that song? What was that?
12 people killed. 14 points for the murder. Fried chicken. Fried chicken.
What was that
Fried
song?
chicken. Fried chicken. Put ketchup on the side. Ketchup on the side. You are innocent.
You are.
That is so true. Look at my face.
It's so beautiful.
I am actually an evil genius.
Fried chicken.
Fried
How
chicken.
do you play that song?
Fried
Did you make
chicken.
that song?
Soda, yes. Yeah, can you tell my voice?
Fried chicken. I really like it. Fried chicken.
She's got a snowblower machine. I'm scared.
And then ready after the wave's over?
I'm scared. Who's the murderer? I'm just some guy named Edward. Edward, and I'm scared.
Edward the Fourth.
Edward the Fifth.
Fine, do that one.
Probably like Edward 1000.
Edward the over 9,000. I have so much moolah, I don't know.
This is like ice water. Someone just died.
It sounded like somebody was taking some diarrhea.
Maybe that happened. Ew, a gun and a hot cocoa. Is that guy playing golf? Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, hit that fire down below, but don't burn your hands.
Oh no!
But